Yes, like I've decided not to put anything on this video. Like I'm not going to put anything like maybe to delay or to do anything, but I just want her to follow all these steps because the recent video that I previous posted, it is still people are not getting it well. So I've decided to do it again, each step by step. So if you can see, I've started with the center line, and the center line, this is going to help me when I talk about the center line. That's where my path I want it to be. So we are trying to make the second line here. So trust me, if you skip anything, it will be because I don't think I will have to repeat this. So if you want to learn how to do it, please, let's just try to follow these procedures and we see how we can do it. So now I'm done with my center. I make the second line, and let me try to hold it so that it is also separated in also one place. Yes, in this video I just want us to be on the same page. We just go slowly by slowly so that we can learn how to do this. So when I'm done with that, I'm just going to be doing the next my next circle, another line like this. Yes, and this one I always want to make sure that my lines are equal, because when they're equal, it makes it very perfect. So the other line was supposed to be done, and now this one is another one. So I make sure that they're all equal, and there I have to this is just water to moisturize my natural hair. Yes, remove these the tangling tips. So after, when I'm done with that, we are just going to hold it also so that it can be separated from the other one. So when you're doing this, I told you just have to follow the circle. So when you try to see the circle from behind, this is how it looks. So when I hold the first line like this, you can see that it is coming to where the hair is not, but I had to pass it there so that my circle can come out. So from the center to the next line, and now the third line, we're still following our line, as long as it is making that circle. So when I'm done with that, I just still have to separate it. You just have to keep on separating them so that you don't do a mistake. So the remaining hair, I'm just going also to remove this so that I can still continue with the circle. You understand? So you just need to be very, very careful when doing this. But all in all, when you start with the center, it is going to direct you on how you can keep on making your circles. So now when you try to look here, my circles are done, and now I'm going to start plaiting. We all know how to do the knotless. That one I may not repeat it. So like everyone knows, yes, everyone knows how to do the knotless, and this is how we're going to do. Though here I'm just trying to put the extension of the kinky so that it can all look natural, you understand? So I'm doing the natural twisting. Okay, I'm doing the extension of kinky so that we can remain on the same look with the natural, since I'm going to be adding everything on the natural thing. So this is how we do it. So now here you also have to be very careful. Number one, when I start with the first the way I have started from the first, it means the second line there is going to be a line, and if there's a line on the third line, I'm going to be holding the hair. So it means if I had the next line here, the third one, the fourth one, that would be the line. So that is how you arrange the brick. I think it's a bricks arrangement. Yeah, that's how they arrange the bricks. So it is the same thing that now if you try to do, I'm trying to make sure that every step, every line that you do, you just have to tie there, you understand, so that you can make it correct. So here is the first line, it's where I'm starting from, and then it means on the second line there is going to be a line. I'm not going to hold any hair from there. Yes, I'm just going to plait it this way. Everyone knows how to do this, I believe. So when we continue with that, on the second line we have to find there a line, like there's no holding hair, no hair taken. Then on the third line is where we find the hair and we plait it. If it's not there, then it means your line is going to stop there. You understand? I just wanted to go slowly by slowly so that we don't get confused with this hairstyle. So you can see on the third line I'm holding the hair. So that's how you just have to keep following all these steps. So here I'm plaiting it with the kinky extension so that the hair can be they can all look natural. So now when we're going on the another line, this is the first one, and I told you if we do the first one, the second one there is supposed to be a line. But all in all, you might ask yourself, what if maybe like someone's head is very short? Yes, it's very small and the lines are not like these. Let's say we remove like 2 lines only. How are you supposed to do it? Still, it is very fine, because now when you look here, I think there are only 2 lines, this first one and the second one. So the third one, if it's not there, you leave it. You just have to continue doing that. But all you can always, so now someone is going to ask herself, what is this? Where is this remaining here with the upper folder? Where are you going to put it? So what I do after doing that, still I can come back and I plait it alone. You understand? Like this. So this hairstyle is really it is tricky, but if you give it time, trust me, you will have to do it if you give it time. So even here I plait it alone, but sometimes if the natural hair, if you try to look here, the hair is already it has the same volume with this other without even extension, so you don't need to add, because we need it to be equal. Yes, you need your braids to be equal when they are looking the same size. Yes, so after I'm done with that, still I'm continuing doing the same thing. You understand? So now let's try to see if we go behind, like in the back, how I was supposed to do it. But still it's the same thing. We just have to need to follow the same route of the break arrangement. If you look here, the first line, it is here, I'm holding the hair. The second line, there is no hair. Under the third line, we have the hair. You understand? So that is the break arrangements for you guys who know. Yes, I haven't forgot to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and indeed I love you so much. Thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing, and I really want to welcome the return subscribers. Yes, you must welcome. We still continue with our videos, and nowadays I'm trying to make things happen. Like I'm giving you the hairstyles that you. Yes, so I just want us to learn a lot of things and to see how we can there are a lot of hairstyles that we haven't learned. So this is the time that I just need to show the world that we can really braid. I can do some things that's very simple and unique, very protective. So this is how we're going to do our thing. So what we can always do, make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, share, so that we continue with a love spreading. Yes, so we all know how to do this, and trust me, after doing all of this, you know what is going to be next. So let's continue with our tutorial.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Okay, so like when I'm done with everything, I just hold puff and I tie it very well. So when I'm done turning or tightening it very well, I'm just going to crochet the same kinky on these knotless of mine, then these braids of mine. I just keep on locking them like this. So after we are going to see how the hairstyle is going to look like, trust me.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la.
Alright, so this is what I get for you, and now since we are done, you can look at the way it is so amazing. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Love you so much respect. We upload videos every week. Yes, every week we have to upload videos. So this is what I got for you. Please go in my comment section, tell me what you think about this hairstyle, and trust me, you will love it.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.